have no power.
This is my favorite one.
The one Daddy bought you, huh?
Let's see how it's doing outside. Whoa! I thought that's sliding. Whoa! It's really windy. Oh my god! Look at the trees. Oh my god! Wow! It's kind of flooded over there already. Over there. Super strong wind. I wonder what's gonna happen with the trees. Oh man. Wow! Oh! Look at all these trees right here. See it very well, but it's really, really strong wind. Ryan, open the door. Grabe, I went out to film and he locked the door. Ryan! Walang doorbell. Bastos ka. Bastos ka talaga. You're so mean to me. Everyone, so today is September 16, 2020 and the tropical storm Sally is hitting our area, so we're getting a lot of rain and wind and our power is out, so that's really the worst thing. We're praying for everyone's safety. I hope everyone is doing okay. What can you say, Alex?
I said, oh dear.
Oh dear. Oh dear. What's going on?
It's raining today. Let me just remind you.
Woo!
So, goodbye. Thanks.
And there's our cat just watching the storm. How's it going, Dima?
It's pretty dark. The wind is really blowing all the leaves.
So we have this big tree. And hopefully that will not fall onto our roof. So we cannot even cook. There's no power. No power. No power. Just tinapay. Ulam mo pa. Wow, sarap. Masarap yan. Sa akin nga, itlog na maalat eh. Tsaka and here is our calamansi. We got to save it. Look. We have a lot. fresh. So since there's hurricane, we're gonna leave off of this. Isn't that nice? There's more growing.
Talk to the doctor, please. Oh my. Hello? Doctor! I want to talk to you now. Is something wrong?
What's something wrong?
Daddy, it hurt her tummy. He says, come here, daughter. To go quickly. Before Daddy gets sick and died.
Oh no.
Go quickly. You have to go quickly. Come on, you do it. Bye bye.
What did the doctor say? Is he coming?
Coming.
Oh, okay, that's
It's
good.
going to be. I'll send the doctor.
You will be the doctor?
I'll send the doctor.
Okay. It's 3 p.m. now and it's not as dark anymore. And there are just a lot of leaves everywhere in the yard that we have to clean up. The wind is still blowing, but no more rain. There's still no power. So we'll back. Some areas are more prone to flooding, but ours, thankfully, is not terrible. Here's our neighbor's trampoline is upside down. Hear that? It's really, really strong. What do you want to do? You wanna jump? You wanna jump on the water bottle? It's so far away and scary. So since we still don't have power, we're just gonna have some burgers by Chef Ryan. Tarapan mo yan ah. It should be masarap. Ooh. Sizzling burger.
You're done.
Yeah, let's go. This is juicy burger.
Juicy.
Juicy. We have to manually open our garage. We can get out.
Missing that part.
Yeah, I tried. Wow, good job. So easy for you.
Alright.
Ay, no, magaling ito.
I'm trying to get out here.
Yeah, last time. So you have to teach me how to do that. The next time. I will. Yay! Cool. Hello world.
Mom, thank you, Daddy.
I know, right?
So
She eats Filipino food.
she eats, she eats adobo at fritada, sopas, giniling, and we can't have any. We can't cook at all today. So we got to find food for her. Is our road. A fence broke over there. And look at this.
Oh, there were tree limbs on the road.
And little flooding there. So the stoplights are not working
There's no power.
there's no power. Walmart looks like it's closed still.
There's a fire truck here. Walmart.
The water is high. Look at that fence. Navarre beach, and look at the dock there. It's all broken, and here are some debris. So the water is calm now. I guess yesterday it was really rough here. Have a lot to fix. A lot of debris to pick up.